T6, volume of pyramids and cones. So we're going to fill up a snow cone container, or figure out how many bricks was made to build a pyramid and stuff like that. Alright, so volume of a cone. So we're going to do volume of a cylinder, which is pi r squared times your height, and then we are going to take a third of it. We're going to divide by 3. So 1/3 pi r squared times h. So 1/3 times 3.14 times 5 squared times 8. 3.14 times 5 squared times 8 divided by 3. It says it's 209 and round to the nearest hundredth, so 0.33 centimeters cubed. Now, volume of a triangular pyramid. Just like on a prism, it's area of the base times height, but because it comes to a point, we're going to divide by 3, but it's basically the same thing as everything else. So big B is a triangle because the base is a triangle. And how do we find the area of a triangle? Base times height divided by 2 of that triangle. So the base is 9, the height is 10, and I'm using this 9 and this 10, and divide by 2, which makes it 45. So big B is 45, the height of the pyramid is 10, and then we're going to either multiply by 1/3 or divide by 3. That's the same thing, which would be 150 yards cubed. One-third area of the base times height. 1/3 3.14. The diameter is 10, so the radius is 5, and the height is, just out of curiosity, did I not just do that over there? 5 and 8. This is 5 and 10. Okay. Alright, so 3.14 times 5 squared times 10 divided by 3. 261.67 centimeters cubed. Alright, this is a rectangular pyramid. So the volume of a rectangular pyramid is 1/3 because of the pyramid, big B, little h because it's volume, and big B is the rectangle. This rectangle. So how do you find the area of a rectangle? Base times height, which is 10 times 18, or 18 times 10, doesn't really matter. So 1/3 times 180 times 9, which would be 654 with a 0. You cannot read that. .540 millimeters cubed. We have a cone. The height is 9 centimeters. The radius is 7. What's the volume? Volume is 1/3 because it comes to a point. Big B, little h. Big B is a circle, so it's pi r squared. So 3.14 times 7 squared. $153.86 times 9. divided by 3, 461.58 centimeters cubed.